So, hello everyone. So here we are going to solve the question find the duplicate number. So this question we have solved earlier as well. We have solved this question earlier in my previous video with the time complexity O of n and space complexity as well as O of n. So we will try to solve this problem in time complexity O of n and space complexity O of n. So let's start. So let's check what we are given. We are given an array. So we are given an array. In array we have to find a duplicate number. We have been assured that the array contains an element 0 to n minus 1. We can see here, we have been assured that the array contains an element 1 to n. So if we say that the array is of size 3, so the maximum number it can have is 3 and minimum number it can have. So what algorithm I am proposing here? I am saying that just make one thing we need to make sure. Let's suppose this is an array. This is an element E. Okay. So the element E divided by array of length plus 1 will be E. If we take the remainder of it, it is always E. Sure? Because if we divide x by small and x is less than y, so the remainder will always be x. Okay? So what we will be doing, and now if we add, and moreover if E and any number is added in array, E plus array of length plus 1 and then again divided by array to length plus 1, we will again get a remainder, right? Just talking about the remainder. What I am trying to propose here is we will traverse through the loop, we will traverse through array. Let's do a new page, I guess. So we will traverse through the array. We will check. Okay. We will take the number, what it is. Okay. So we will check. Let's traverse through the array, and for any element, any index I, we will check the number at index I. So let's suppose that the index I is 4. In I index is 4. Right? So we will check. We will check what is at the place of 4. Right? So what is at the place of 4? So let's understand it again. We will traverse through an array where the I is the pointer while traversing, and we will check what is the number at ith index. Now let's suppose if the number at ith index is 4, we will check what is the digit at array 4. Okay. And we will just replace it by array of 4 is equals to array of 4 to make sure that we will replace an array of 4 plus array dot n plus 4. Right? So now let's suppose while traversing I, if I again encounter I such that array of I is 4, I'll be again shifting my focus to array 4. Correct or not? Correct or not? And then again I will be doing array of 4 plus array. Now since we are adding let array of, we will check what is array of I. Let's suppose array of I is j, and then we check at array of j. We will not check at just j because we might have added j plus array of size. and that might have caused the problem. It will go out of index then. So we will check array of j percentage array of size plus 1. We will check this and we will update this value. We will update this value with array dot size plus 1. Now if this j has come only once, in my array, then this array dot size, we are good to go or not? There always remains one organization. I can change this. Just a second. As well. We need to check. So there is some. Just a second. So yeah, while traversing array, if we say that if j occurs only once, then I can say that array dot size will be added only once. Correct? You might be wondering that when we are adding this array of j equals to array of j, sorry, initial value to this. We are doing this percentage just for this. Just adding this value will not change it. So I think we are clear, and just to explain it once more, we will traverse to the array at index I. Let's suppose array of I is equals to j. What we will do, we will for array of j percent array of size plus 1, which is basically array of j in the initial case. And we will be adding the let's suppose k is equals to this. So we will making this k plus array of size. Okay. And now if again ever there is a I such that array of I equals to j, I will be again performing this operation, and this array dot size will be repeated twice, right? So, and after doing this all operations, I will check whether which element is greater than 2 into the. Is it understandable? So let's try to code it. Yeah, this was the earlier code which we did earlier. Yeah. So let's suppose we will add variable. We will store that variable. It is equals to nums dot n. So what we will be doing here, int I equals to 0, I less than add minus I plus plus. Let's suppose int k is equals to nums k, nums I. This is the number. Now I will be updating nums k percent is equals to. But after performing this loop, we will check int I equals to 0. Which element? Which element is greater than 2 into add? Because one add will be added if there is only one. If its occurrence is twice there, then it will be added again, right? And this k is always smaller than add because add is nums plus length dot on. It's always 1 to it. Just as the code set that. Yeah, nice. So that's how we solve this problem.